Alright, so what up YouTube? You know, today I'm coming with another video. Gonna go ahead and do long tube headers on a 2019 Dodge Challenger RT 5.7. So shoot, y'all know how my videos go. I mean, I show myself working, but I'm not gonna really show myself working too much on it just because it is a header job. So right now, he's got the quad duals on here, and it's straight from the cat's back, so almost full straight pipe. It sounds good. So the first thing we're gonna remove, these pipes right here with the cap right here. So go ahead. Well, the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and unplug these O2 sensors. And I'm gonna start unbolting right here. Once I get that unbolted, I'm gonna go ahead and unbolt the cats from the headers, and then the cats are a little hot. They're still a little warm, so I'm gonna go ahead and let those cool a little bit more. But I'm gonna go ahead and start breaking these bolts loose, get them all lubed up and everything. So just go on from there. So I got the mid pipes out. The mid pipes are out, and I'm gonna get ready to take the heat shields out. Once I get the heat shield off that side, heat shield off the other side, then I'm going to loosen up the headers and get those taken off. Got the O2 sensors taken out already. These two. Got them put on the new mid pipes with the extensions. If your kit doesn't come with extensions, you're gonna need those are the main things you're gonna need if you have the BBK Long Tube Headers. So that's something you need to make sure you have in your pack when you order it, or you're gonna be waiting a few days to get it ordered. So here goes the stock header versus the long tube header. So I got this one out on the passenger side. It wasn't too hard, but that bolt that was right here, that was the hardest one. Just because the motor mount was like directly behind the motor mount. But this is what it looks like now. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this side back up, and then start on the driver's side after that. Then we get it real simple. But yeah, that's a big difference. That header and then that mid pipe compared to the new ones. So yeah, this is the other header. I got the driver's side out. So both of the stock headers are over here. So you hit the stock more for like a cast iron skillet. Sure, I messed around and bust myself in the chin trying to put them in. But hey, if you don't bleed, it ain't worth it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this extended pigtail on here. Got that mug on there now. On the other side, I did get the other header tightened up. So let me slide up right here. So this is the passenger side. Got the passenger side all tightened up. So it's up in there. It ain't going nowhere. Shoot. Then I gotta still do the driver's side. So that's what I'm on now. This one should be it shouldn't take that long. This one was a lot easier than the other side. So, sure, I'm about to keep it a trucking. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all those 8 bolts in there, tighten it down, plug up the O2 sensor. Then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and lock in the mid pipes. So shoot, go ahead and get the headers on the mid pipe. We got some fabbed up until he goes and get the pipes welded, but we have a flange on the inside, a reducer. So shoot, we're gonna go ahead and get this mug down, get it started up.
Somebody recorded my phone about that.
You gotta keep.
Chopper got the hardest camera.
You gonna start it.
Go ahead, go ahead.
You start it.
Yeah. Put on video.
You started without Q around. You started.
Go ahead. Yeah, he's been crazy.
No, okay. Oh, key got
Go ahead, guys. That just had the key in his hand. Sitting here watching try to crank it.
I gotta burn the grass anyway.
All of these
header.
screws, baby.
Oh, they everywhere.
They're everywhere. You don't want this thing for tires.
I'm on that kind of stead. Or a surprise.
I didn't think you know, we back. We need to go.
Hey, Mother, we got another one coming. Another one? Huh? Nah, that's mod. Alright. That mother's so loud. Why you let the window down that low? I see you over there. Hey, he won't even hit it. Damn, his